Hi guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome if you're watching this face for the very first time. My name is Gauri and I will highly appreciate if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell button so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. So this is how the first box looks like. So the first product that I have in this box is this M-Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub, and this is for normal to oily skin, and the net quantity for this is 20 grams. And yeah, this is how the bottle looks like. It is actually a glass bottle and it is totally sealed. I hope the camera can catches it. Until and unless you remove the seal of it, you won't be able to open it. So yeah, this is the first product that I got, and this is for one trial point. So the second product that I got is this Creamy Face Cleanser by the Dermaco, and this is for sensitive skin, which is my skin type, and this is to cleanse and hydrate your face. Plus, this is fragrance and soap free, and you can use it in the day and the night as well. And this says that this is dermatologically tested. Plus, this is paraben and silicone free, and the quantity for this one is 30 ml. Yeah, so this is how the outer packaging looks like, and let me just open it. And yeah, so this is how the product looks like, and yeah, this is DYE and mineral oil free. So yeah, so this is how the cleanser looks like, and this was the second product that I got. So the third product that I got is this Mamaearth Argan Hair Mask with argan, avocado oil and milk protein for frizz-free hair. And this is how the outer packaging looks like, and this is paraben and silicone free, dermatologically tested with bioactives, and the net quantity for this is 25 grams. This originally retails for rupees 99, but I got it for one trial point. Yeah, so this was the fourth product that I got. And the next product that I got is this tube right here, and this is the Chrono Clay body butter for all skin types, and this has shea butter plus aloe vera in it, and this is from the brand called Chrono Care, and the quantity for this one is 40 ml. Yeah, so this is the body butter that I got next, and yeah, so this was the fourth product. So the last two products that I got in this box are from Plump, and this is the 24-hour hydration with vitamin E Luminous Deep Moisturizing Cream. Yeah, so this is the deep moisturizing by Plump, and the quantity for this one is 15 grams, and this is for normal dry, very dry skin. Yeah, so this was the second last product that I got, and the last product in this box is this Plump Olive and Macadamia Mega Moisturizing Hair Mask, and the quantity for this one is 20 grams, and this is for dry damaged hair, which is mine obviously, so I got this one as the last product. And along with that, I got a free gift as usual. So this is the pouch that I got this time, and this is in the color mint, and this is how it looks. I'm not gonna open the packaging because you already know the color is just different. The quality and everything is just same. So yeah, so this has also written Spitten here, like the branding is given here. So yeah, this was the last product that I got in this box. And the second box for today is here, and in this the very first product is this M-Cafe Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub. These are the exact same products. I mistakenly ordered two of them, so yeah, this was the first product in the second box as well. And the second product that I got in this box is this scrunchie right here, and this is in the shade Blush Pink, and this is a very pretty color. Let me just open it. The color is just so pretty. I mean, this is in the color Blush Pink, and this is a very pretty, more of a peachy baby pink kind of a shade. I don't know, I'm not able to explain it properly, but this is so beautiful in person. So yeah, this was the second product that I got. And the third product that I got is again from Plump, and this is the Illuminant Simply Supple Cleansing Balm, and this is for dry normal combination or sensitive skin, and the quantity for this one is 10 grams, and this originally retails for rupees 99, and this is how the tub looks like, and from within it also has a separator, which is actually a good thing. So yeah, this was the third product that I got. So the fourth product that I got are from Maybelline, and these are the foundation sachets, and I got three different sachets in just one trial point, and these are in three different shades. First one is the 115 ivory, and the second one is 128 warm nude, and the third one is 310 sun beige. So yeah, these are three different shades of foundation, so that you can give it a try and find out your exact matching shade. So yeah, these three were for one trial point, and along with that I got a free manual. Like all the shades are given here so that you can identify your exact shade. So yeah, this was the fourth product that I got. And the last product that I got in this box is this under eye cream, and this was for two trial points, and this is from the brand called Voter. I hope I'm pronouncing the name right, but I will mention the name somewhere on the screen or in the description box below, so that you can get an exact idea. And this is the under eye cream for the intense care, and this targets the puffiness, fine line, and the dark circles. And the quantity for this one is, I believe, 10 grams, and this originally retails for rupees 1300. I will personally never pay 1300 for this much quantity, but I fortunately got it on Smitten trial points. So this was for two trial points, and this is also seal pack. Like you can see, I've not opened it yet. So let me just open it. So this is how the container looks, and yeah, so this is more of a cream. Yeah, as it says, it is a cream, and we have to apply it under the eyes to target the, if you have the dark circle, fine lines, or the puffiness under your eyes. So, and I actually ordered this because I have tried a couple of under eye creams, but nothing worked out for me. So I wanted to try something new, and this originally retails for rupees 1300. So I have very high expectations from this one, because I will never pay 1300 for this much quantity. And I have tried so many other under eye creams as well, or gels as well, but nothing worked out for me. So I am definitely looking forward to use this, because my dark circles are way too stubborn. So yeah, this was the last and the final product that I got, and along with this one as well, I got a free gift, which is this pouch, and this is in the color camel again. And yeah, so guys, here I complete my second box as well, and these were all the products that I got. And yeah, I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, and also share it with your friends and family, or whosoever is interested in buying the sample products for so many other brands. You can most definitely check out Smitten, and I have mentioned the link of Smitten in the description box below. You can most definitely check this out. And if you buy anything, so please let me know in the comment section below. And if you have any other suggestions as well, so please drop them in the comment section. Before leaving this channel, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and also that bell button so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And I see you in the next video. Ta-da!